The grade point averages, or GPA, for 12 randomly selected college students are given below. We're going to have to open StatCrunch and enter the data as 2.3, 3.4, 2.7, 1.5, 0.7, 4.0, 2.4, 1.1, 3.6, 0.1, 2.3, and 3.3. To find the sample mean, remember we have to go Stat, Summary Stats, and then Columns. We're going to choose the first column, and we're going to hit Compute. This gives us our mean, and our mean is going to be 2.28. 2.283333, and our standard deviation is going to be 1.22. 1.2223921. So it has a mean GPA of 2.28 and a standard deviation of 1.22. Now we're going to construct the confidence interval for a 95% at a 95% confidence level. Again, let's use StatCrunch. So we're going to go under the direction Stat, and then we're going to go to T-Stats, one sample, and we're going to go with data this time. So with data, we have to select our variable column. We're going to take our confidence interval for the mean and keep our confidence level at 95%, and then we're going to hit Compute at the end. Our lower limit for our confidence level is going to be 1.1506625, and that's our lower boundary for our sample or for our population mean, and our upper boundary is 3.06000042. Notice here it did not give us the margin of error. Now, our statement says we need to round to 2 decimal places. So we're going to say we are 95% confident the population mean GPA for all college students is between, we'll round here, a 1.15 and a 3.06. There's no units for GPA. It's just the fact that we usually see them as 2 decimal places. Okay. Now again, notice StatCrunch did not give us our margin of error. So if we wanted to find our margin of error, we would have to go and use the formula for how to get a margin of error from a confidence interval. If you remember earlier on, we noticed that we could use a formula. We take the upper limit minus the lower limit and divide that by 2. So remember, the upper limit minus the lower limit is the complete width divided by 2. So our upper limit for this one is 3.06000042 minus our lower limit 1.150666625, and then we divide all that answer by 2. Now our calculator. Parentheses 3.06000042 minus 1.150666625, close parentheses, divided by 2. Hit enter, And our answer is going to be, our margin of error is going to be 0.954668975, or 0.95 is our margin of error. So remember, if you don't know the margin of error and you're just calculating the confidence interval, you can use this formula to get the margin of error.